Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS EC2 Auto Scaling notifications step by step clearly. Once logged in, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Auto Scaling Groups. Select the auto scaling group you want to configure for notifications. In the Details pane, click on the Notifications tab. Here, you will see an option to specify notification settings. Click on the Create Notification button. You will need to select a topic from Amazon Simple Notification Service, or SNS. If you don't have an SNS topic, you can create a new one. Navigate to the SNS dashboard and click on Topics. Click on Create Topic and choose the type as Standard. Give your topic a name that is descriptive and once created, select your new topic from the list. Go back to your Auto Scaling Group's notification settings. You can select events like EC2 Instance Launch, Terminate, and Health Check status changes. After configuring the events, click the Save button. Return to the SNS dashboard and select the topic you created. Click on the Subscriptions tab and then click on Create Subscription. Choose the endpoint type you prefer, such as email or SMS. Enter the endpoint information, then click Create Subscription. You will need to confirm the subscription. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from SNS. Click the confirmation link in the email to activate your subscription. Now your auto scaling group is configured to send notifications. You will start receiving alerts based on the events you selected. You can always go back to modify notification settings if needed. This process ensures you stay informed about your EC2 auto scaling status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.